Erio tuendere kwimanya amange asubot kubwa bono ekero Obochori w'ABARAI b'abawakili ba LSK urusagirwa South West Nyanza bagendere tebono abawakili kurwase urusagirwa ime county ya Kisii nigo besokiri irigwaka EKURA erinde bachiko bachora ABARAI bari BAGANETIE nigo batebiruna abawakili abange asekerengo gietanite 50 guchiguro nigo besokiri gose nigo besokiri gwaka EKURA na kubeka ogosemere bunanko bachora bari ABARAI yabaya egati abarwaniri bekerugo kyobo nyakerugo ngamo na zela bonuke oyo orwa kuburigo cyase abande bonsi bagendera gwesokia irwake EKURA ase obwene n'ubwasioko
asamalite gonkoro kuzel no bonuke igondo moengereria osomo wakili aigase town ya Busongo ronto bwa Obochori kwa ABARAI bali bako tenenera abawakili intenene bonoyo mo bwa ABARAI bali bako borie kerogo kyobonya kerogo obochairman lero twikirega igakizi locots bantondo cheba chire ase obonge abawakili ba temire wa kachikura. In fact as chinsa cyaboniga abantu angenus y'abawakili bali bara registered in Busongo akirechikura. The report tubwate ku Roma Bay na Migori nelinga chinambe cyo nakiro cyetani rinus eyiwe korokinga abantu baito banchiranire nga Obochori obonchorari bokolekana bole inkige kogara oro inki ekege kworoki nga mwanya bantu amwana inji nyene alamoso nduna abawakili tuerure wakachikura elinda tuchenchi obogandu bwaitu bonyare kobubi buyamono and mesaba sen
Maeche. I am the current SG Secretary General of this branch until 25th of this month, and hopefully beyond, because I'm also defending the seat. I can say that members have come out in large numbers, and so far the turnout as at now here in Kisii Locots polling station, we are slightly above 50%, so which is a good turnout. We are hoping that the turnout will even be 100% because all the members are present, they are within us, and we are hoping that the turnout will be 100%.
And it is always our duty as a national office to always offer support where needed, to always amplify what needs to be done in our branches. And today we call upon all the members of Southwest Branch, be it that you're in Homa Bay, be it that you're in Kisii, be it that you're in Migori, be it that you're in Kilgoris, to turn up, because this is your civic duty to be able to elect the leaders that are going to serve you for the next 2 years.
Today we have exercised our civic duty, and we are so excited that members have turned up in large numbers. We're also humbled that our Vice President is here with us. I've been very vocal and loud about fighting masqueraders and ensuring that our practice standards are maintained. And so we are so happy that everyone is here today to ensure that we choose and elect leaders who will help us in doing